It's kind of crazy. I've never had a conversation with my calendar before until this morning. Yes, that's right, with my calendar. See, I installed this AI agent. Listen, AI is here. No matter what, you're going to have to get used to it. All right. So I installed this one agent, and it is a calendar agent. It actually performs six very specific tasks. I'm going to talk about them here in just a second. But here's the critical thing. Listen, AI is here whether we like it or not, so we just might as well learn how to manage whatever it is that we're going to use. So I installed this one agent to manage my calendar. The conversation that we had was really, really incredible. All right. So let me give you a full picture of how this works. Then you can set up this automation yourself. It's going to save you a ton of hours a week and a month. Oh my God, you're going to love this. So you're probably asking yourself, what can Claude do with my calendar? Okay, here's number one. There's six specific things that it can do for you. Six specific things that it can do for you. All right. So, and here's one: create events. So you can actually open up your microphone and tell Claude, I need you to create an event in my calendar for a specific date, specific time, and block that. Okay? And it will automatically just go there and do it. That is fantastic because you can also add updates with voice notes to Claude, and it will go into the calendar and it will make whatever adjustments it needs to make, or if it needs to add any notes to it. Also, notify other recipients that are scheduled in that same time slot with you. And number two, I almost mentioned it, which is update things or items that are already in your calendar. Three, it can delete events that you are no longer want to participate in, or if you received a notification of an event that's been changed, scheduled, or rescheduled, you can always do that with a voice note. You can do that with a voice note as well. And number four, you can pull up a summary of what's coming up for the day or for the week. So you can do that on Monday. You can get a summary of your week in front of you, or what if specific events or what are important, what are family, what are business. You can categorize them all, even by color coding. I have mine by color codes. That was really easy for me to see at first glance. So what are priorities in my calendar? Like, for example, my family has priority slots. My personal health has priority slots, and each one of them is color coded. And I know which one comes on first. But it doesn't mean that just because this is my personal time that I need to exercise, or I'm, doing my Bible study or whatever it is, that if a personal call from, one of my daughters or my sons comes in, that I'm not going to take it because I already prioritized that. No, 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 no. Family breaks through everything in the calendar, right? Just want to make sure that we're clear on that. And number five, you can add custom events. You can create certain rules that will put custom events in a recurring basis, or any other rule that you may have. It's like, the second, Tuesday of the month, or that will vary on date, but it will be the second Tuesday. So you can actually schedule those things as well. And reminders, and Google Meet links or other links that you may have. You can create a specific task and say, for this particular type of event, make sure that they also receive this particular link. You may have a specific link that you want them, to connect with you or to book a call with, and then you can actually automate that through the AI agent process. Now, how does this get powerful for operations? You can describe an entire workflow and have it executed in one single instruction prompt. Here's an example. I can go into Cloud and say, I want you to set up my authority shift converter production block for X day of the week for so many hours. And it will go, it might even come back and ask you a question. Do you want this every week or every other week? And depending on how the instructions that you have set up. And then it will just go into your calendar. It will actually notify you that it needs to move a particular future event that you had already planned, or that if this event's going to be canceled because you already have something else in your schedule. It will ask you those questions. It's almost like having an executive assistant instead of, under a salary. This is part of your AI monthly fee. Is that incredible? Yes. So what does it tell you about additional tools? Connecting your calendar automation, with Go High Level, with your Google Calendar, it's already connected with your Google Calendar, with your Go High Level, or any other CRMs, can be done either through Zapier or through other tools that are available to you right now. So I want you to go ahead and tell me, what calendar automation would you like to see? I'll go ahead and create it and I'll send it back to you. So comment below, what calendar automation would you like to see that you can utilize in Claude right now without it being too intrusive to you, and we will create it and send it to you. My name is Ruben, and I wish you the best. So I'll see you in the Authority Shift Converter class coming up this coming week.